say that Raksha Bandhan is the lovely festival which we celebrate between the relationship of brother and sister. बंध हा प्रेमाचा नाम ज्याचे राखी बांधिते बाहुराया आज तुझ्या हाती औक्षिते प्रेमाने उजळून दीप ज्योती रक्षा मे मज सदैव अशीच असावी प्रीती. Means when we celebrate the Raksha Bandhan, the sister always pray for her brother that he will get success in each and every field of his life. Raksha Bandhan we celebrate in this Shravan month, Shravani Purnima. If we see the Hindu calendar in month of Shravan we celebrate this. When we see the word Raksha Bandhan, Raksha means Saurakshan, protection. It's the Sanskrit word, it comes the care, we say संरक्षण. बहन अपने भाई के संरक्षण की कामना इसमें करती है और वो संरक्षण होने के लिए एक बंध उसके हाथ में बांधती है. That is the really we say the thread of love. That thread she tie on his hand, on her wrist to protect my brother. But now we see that the Rakhis are coming in different ways, decorative ways. But the real meaning of Rakhi is that the thread, the cotton thread. First of all, when it is celebrated, if we see, there are 3 stories of this Raksha Bandhan. First one is when there was a war between the Dev and Danav. Danav means we say that Rakshas. Rakshas is not anything that it is having that something different face and different nails and that. Rakshas means it is the cruel mind, our heart which is having the bad thinking. That person is called as Rakshas. So Rutrasur, the one person named Rutrasur, and he was just giving the distractions to the, or we say that he was totally doing the bad things in the world. And at that time, Indra, he was ready to fight with him. At that time, Rutrasur's wife, her name was Shashi. She tied one thread on her husband's hand to get the win in that war. So that is called as, that is the first story of Rakhi. Means at that time, wife tied that thread on husband's wrist. Second, we know that Draupadi and Sri Krishna. There was one song also. भरझरी ग पीतांबर दिला फाडून द्रौपदीसी बंधु शोभे नारायण. Actually, Sri Krishna is having her real sister Subhadra. Subhadra उसकी सगी बहन थी, and Draupadi was Subhadra's friend. But she was thinking Sri Krishna is also my brother. And at that time, when Sri Krishna, just by doing his work, some accidentally got one wound in his wrist, or that blood was coming. At that time, Subhadra, she wore the nice पैठनी. उसने बहुत अच्छी पैठनी पहनी थी. And she was thinking कि अभी उसको blood आ रहा है, कहाँ से उसको क्या tie करूँ, क्या बांधूँ. At that time, Draupadi was also wearing that nice पैठनी which is having bharzari. And in ancient time, that पैठनी was having gold, diamonds, real diamonds was on that thread also, that real silk thread. But Draupadi didn't think anything at that time. She directly take that her पैठनी is that one corner and remove that and directly tie that on her Sri Krishna's wound, so that blood will get stopped. Means she didn't think that it is bharzari or it is something. Directly that action comes because of love of Sri Krishna. And so in that song also, it is the song which is famous from the picture Shamshi Ai. If you see that, it is the Shamshi Ai, the story also famous, and that movie also. In that, this is the song that बोट श्री हरीचे कापले ग बाई बांधावया चिंधी लवकर देई सुभद्रा बोलली शालूनी पैठणी फाडू नका देऊ चिंधी तुम्हासिनी पाठची बहीण झाली वैरीण द्रौपदीचे बंधू शोभे नारायण. Chindi means that small piece of this पैठणी, small cloth, chindi. तो then द्रौपदी बोलली हरीची मी कोण परी मला त्याने मारली बहीण काळजाची चिंधी काढून देईल एवढे तयाचे माझ्यावरी ऋण. वस्त्र देऊनी प्रभु राखली लाज, चिंधीसाठी आला माझ्या दारी हरी आज, त्रैलोक्य मोलाचे करून दिले फाड़ून। मीन्स वहां पे उसने कुछ भी नहीं सोचा, वो वस्त्र वो चिंधी फाड़ के उसके हाथ को लगाया, वो ब्लड स्टॉप किया, उसका मेमोरी करके हम आज भी रक्षाबंधन मनाते हैं। इट इज लाइक द थ्रेड विच इज द बॉन्ड, विच इज द रियल बॉन्ड ऑफ ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर। Sister pray for his brother that he will get success, he will get protection, संरक्षण in his life. And so that at that time Subhadra means Draupadi gave that small vastra to Krishna, and when there was the Vastraharan in Mahabharata, when we see at that time Sri Krishna gave lots of vastra to Draupadi. Means if we gave little bit to our God, what we say for devotion, हम थोड़ा सा भी समर्पण करते हैं तो भगवान हमें भर भर के देता है। इसलिए वस्त्रहरण के टाइम पे भगवान ने उसको बहुत सारी साड़ियाँ उनसे भी साड़ी दी थी। तो यही है हमारा सेकेंड स्टोरी ऑफ द्रौपदी एंड श्री कृष्ण। थर्ड वन इज बलि। बलि को लक्ष्मी ने राखी बांधी थी। ये न बद्धो बलि राजा दानवेंद्रो महाबलहा, तेन त्वाम अनुदंडामि रक्षे माचल माचल। बलि राजा जब जमीन के अंदर गए थे वो 3 वरदान के लिए, तब बलि ने अपने पृथ्वी का संरक्षण किया था। तो बलि का ये त्याग देख के लक्ष्मी ने उसके हाथ में ये धागा बांध दिया था। सो देयर आर 3 स्टोरीज रिगार्डिंग दिस रक्षाबंधन। सो एंड व्हेन वी सी दैट अगेन देयर इज यज्ञोपवीत। यज्ञोपवीत मीन्स जानवं बदलण्याचा दिवस म्हणजे श्रावणी पौर्णिमा। सो दिस इज just the meaning of Raksha Bandhan. We can celebrate this Raksha Bandhan. There is a bond. There, like in chemistry, there is a covalent bond. Co means two. Whenever there are 2 or more persons will come covalent. So covalent bond, like this friendship is also covalent bond, and this Raksha Bandhan is also the covalent bond. We celebrate our love, protection towards our brother. So lastly I will say, सण हा मांगल्याचा, सण हा प्रेमाचा, सण हा बहीण भावाच्या अतूट नात्याचा, सण हा रक्षाबंधनाचा. So let's celebrate this Raksha Bandhan with lots of happiness and love. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you, and thank you so much our respected principal.